A trip to the gardens. Today, our class goes to the garden. We see many beautiful flowers. The flowers are red, yellow, pink, and purple. There is a tall tree beside the garden. A green leaf falls from the tree. We walk on a path through the garden. We cross a small bridge. Under the bridge, there is a pond. A bird flies over the pond. We stop and watch the bird. We have a wonderful day at the gardens. We learn many new words and enjoy nature. In the comments, answer the question: what is the name of a garden in your country?